Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Calendly account. So you want to type in calendly.com or go to Google and type in Calendly and you will find the official website of Calendly. Look, just like this, or this is basically it, calendly.com. And to get started, you can see the pricing. You can create a free account. As you can see, you're a free account. You have a standard team and an enterprise account. So if you're new to Calendly, you can quickly create an account for free, get started, and get your hands on with using Calendly. Now I'm going to go ahead and click and get started right here. And I'm going to quickly sign up with my Google account. You can sign up with your Google or your Microsoft account, or if you have a company account as well, you can go ahead and use that email address to sign up. So I'm going to continue with Google account right here and just sign in with my Google account. And if you have a Google account, it is super easy to just quickly sign up with that. So as you can see here, guys, it's a 6-step process to really sign up for the Calendly. So you will have a few questions that you need to fill out to actually use it. So it says, how do you plan to use it? You can say with my team, on my own. I'm going to just choose this as on my own. How can Calendly help you? You can say to schedule meetings or collect payments or whatever it might be, or meeting with multiple attendees, whatever it may be. I'm going to just use collect schedule meetings for now. Click on next. Here, what is your role? You can choose your role. So whatever it is, you can go ahead. I'm going to just say, for example, education, for example, or consulting, whichever one, it's really up to you. Click on next. Here it basically is saying now how you can set up your Google Calendar, and I'm going to choose this as well. So I'm going to click on connect and sign into my Google account right here to basically give it permissions to connect to my calendar right there. And here you can see that you can set up some times. You can always come back and fill in these. For the purpose of this, I'm going to leave it as is and click on next. Here, how would you like to meet with people? You can say Zoom, in-person call, Teams, or even Google Meet. So because I'm using a Google account, I will just work with the Google Meet for now and click on continue. And you can see how fast that was. It's only 6-step process, guys, and it makes it super easy. So here it basically mentioned about the plan. I'm going to say continue with free trial, and that's it. And you can see right now I'm in my Calendly account, and that's how easy it is to create a Calendly account. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Calendly, hit that subscribe button, and so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos for my dedicated calendar playlist, so that you can learn all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.